We focus on homes, creating homes for people, either renovations, extensions, new builds. We base our designs on deep understanding and analysis of how people use their house, their daily scenarios. We're designing lifestyles more than we're designing houses. The houses are almost a result emerging from understanding what lifestyle can work for specific people in a specific place.
We've always worked in 3D and we've always been keen to show them materials from an early stage. Previously we used renders, which take a fair amount of time.
We are always on the hunt for new technology. One of the architects started playing with Unreal in search for something that we can use for visualizations, and then he heard about Twinmotion and the ease of using it. It didn't take us more than 5 minutes trying it, realizing it's exactly what we were looking for, specifically because of the link to ArchiCAD.
The idea that we could have something that showed in real time realistic materials and also was navigable was fantastic. We all gave it a go and it seemed like quite a simple tool to use.
It was so user-friendly, so understandable. So in about a week, I was already working on my own projects. I think it really helps to visualize not only for the clients, but also for us. It's a very visual software and really fun to work with.
We started using Twinmotion in detail design. That is way later into the design process.
We didn't think that we'd be using it in the very early stages, but it's becoming increasingly helpful to go as early as possible to Twinmotion.
I don't wait anymore. As soon as I have an idea, I draw it in ArchiCAD and then one click away it's for me to see. So it's become intrinsic to our design.
Once you're in Twinmotion, there's a lot of flexibility and ability to show the client how their project is going to look. The fact that you're able to walk around a 3D environment that has all the materials and all the lighting effects means that sign-off for the client is a lot easier. It's a very useful tool, even when very early on we just show everything as white. When you're just looking at the light and spatial quality, no materials are in play, but it's still a very useful tool even then. So it's kind of crept earlier and earlier in.
It's hard to quantify because it's such an integral, organic part of our process, but we can say that it helps us initially to bring in more clients with better projects.
But it's also eliminated all of the different bits and pieces that were flying around before. It's just streamlined the whole process.
Twinmotion became an integral part, an organic part of our process, and we can no longer imagine it without it.